Hi guys, let's continue the subject of the disk hitting 100% usage. First of all, you have to click on the Windows File Explorer. Then in this PC, you're gonna click with the right button and go to Properties. For many people, what is happening is the following. The computer does not have a good configuration. It has a little RAM memory, a very weak processor, and then with a few tasks, with a few programs running, it keeps using 100% of the disk. So check this first. If your computer doesn't have a medium configuration, like for example 4 GB of memory RAM, 2.0 processor or more. The ADD also influences a lot, because if the ADD is too short or too full, it can be a big and serious problem to leave your computer slow, especially if it was always like this. Now if these problems happened overnight, make sure you follow the next steps. Will be a link that we talk about how to make your computer faster. I'll leave in a card and also leave it in a description. Follow the video series on how to improve your computer, but first check if your configuration is okay and it has the minimal requirements. Now let's go to the steps. Another thing that could be causing this problem is the system issue and outdated drives. You need to keep your operation systems up to date and your drives as well. To check that, you click on the search button and write Windows Update. You're gonna click on check for updates and it will show you if there is any updates. You're gonna click on check for updates, and for me there is one update, and all I have to do, and you do too, is click on download and install. You cannot search for your drives through Google. The video will be very long if I do this in full, but basically it's a good search for drives plus your brand of computer. The easiest way would be to use a program, which in addition to making it easier, makes it much faster as well. I'll leave my video from the channel that talks about a program called Drive Booster that does exactly that, and just click on the card that will appear above or check the description, which will also be there. Like I said, to Google it is just drivers plus your brand of computer, then probably the first link will be the link that you have to click. Using Drive Booster help you in several ways, because for many people, downloading from the manufacturer website makes everything more difficult and complex. Although it isn't. The new Drive Booster can be happy. You won't have any difficulties and it will solve your problem right away. So pause the video and try to do this, and if it works, perfect. If not, continue with this video so we can continue with the next steps. The third possible cause of these 100% disk problems is background apps. Your computer may be overloaded with applications, so check it out for us. You're gonna write on your Windows bar background apps. You're gonna click it. Now what you're going to do is disable the option let apps run in the background. Just click to disable, because I have showed that this is the cause that is overloading your computer. You don't need all of those things. In case if you need one, look at the list and activate it, but doesn't leave in any case everything turned on. This will definitely improve your computer performance a lot and possibly solve the disk problem. So this didn't work, so let's go to one more solution. So follow the next step. Type in the search bar services.msc, then press apply. In the first video, I talk about some services that you can disable, but in this video will be more complete because I will show you more services that you can safely disable. Here, you look for a user experience service. So you're gonna look for user experience service, user experience virtualization service. You're gonna click with the right button, go to properties, then here it will be automatic. You're gonna click disable, then stop, then apply, then OK. Now you're gonna see how the system turned out. It wasn't good. Did you have a problem? Double click it and activate it again, or rather leave it automatic and it will be good. There is one more option to disable, which would be Windows Search. So go down because it's there at the end of the list, click twice and do the same thing. Properties, click and disable, stop, then apply, then OK. If it's resolved, OK. If not, go back and leave on them automatic again, then apply, then OK. For the step number 5, type in the Windows bar disfragment and optimize drives. Here we are going to choose change settings, and we are going to deactivate this option, because what happens is the following. Let me explain. You click on the change settings, and if these options check it, you uncheck it. Because while you are doing something, you are surfing in the web, you are doing some work, or even playing games, your computer is at some point doing this fragmentation or optimization in the background automatically, and this obviously can consume your computer's RAM memory and make it slower or even crashing. So uncheck that option, because you can do that manually. I actually teach this manually. There is a video of mine where I recommend you to do this fragmentation at least once a month. Then turn it off and see how it turned out. The next step is the programs. This is the easiest part to resolve. You right click here on the bottom bar and click on the task manager. So you're gonna click here, task manager. And now you go to startup, and here you see the programs that are starting with the system. For example, for me, BitTorrent is very important, but for you it cannot be. Cortana for me is not so important, so I can go right click and go to disable. You're gonna see which programs are unnecessary and disable it. For example, if Google Chrome is unable to start, it will certainly influence the slowness on your system. To deactivate, just right click in whatever you want and go to disable or enable. Do this for every program you don't need. The next tip to solve this problem is for Windows Virtual Memory to manage automatically. So how we do that? First of all, you have to go to Explorer, then you are going to this PC, click with the right button, Properties, and here on the right side you're gonna go to Advanced System Settings. When you click here, this screen will show up and you're gonna go to Advanced. Here on Performance, you're gonna go to Settings, then you're gonna choose Adjust for Best Performance, click Apply and OK. Then you're going to go to Advanced. Here you're gonna go to Virtual Memory and go to Change. If the option automatically manage paging file size for all drivers is checked, uncheck it, and now test the system and see how it turned out. Now you're gonna have to check if the problem was solved or the problem keep going. If the problem did not resolved, you're gonna go back right here and you're going to check it. Click Apply and click OK. Those were the methods that we use here to try to fix this problem. If any of the solutions that I told you guys helped you, please leave a comment below. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe, leave a like I said, leave a comment, that way I can know if I helped you guys or not, and I see you in the next video.